Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about basic data manipulation. Data manipulation encompasses modifying, organizing, or condensing data to derive valuable insights. This process typically entails tasks like selecting specific data, arranging it in a particular order, combining data sets, and summarizing data points. For instance, in a sales data set, data manipulation may involve filtering out customers who made purchases above a certain amount, sorting sales records by date, merging customer information with transaction details, and aggregating sales figures to calculate total revenue. Filtering data is an essential data manipulation task that involves selecting specific rows or columns based on certain conditions. In the provided Python example using pandas, a data frame is created with names and ages. The df age25 syntax selects rows where the age is greater than 25. This results in a new data frame containing rows that meet this condition, which is then printed out. This process is valuable in various real-world scenarios, such as analyzing sales data to focus on customers above a certain age threshold, or filtering out irrelevant data in a research study based on specific criteria. Sorting data is the process of organizing information in a dataset based on specific columns. In Python, you can utilize the sort values function from the pandas library. For instance, the given code snippet demonstrates sorting a data frame named df by the age column. This action arranges the rows in ascending order of age values. Merging data is the process of uniting two or more datasets based on a shared column. In the Python example provided, data from two data frames, df and df2, with a common column name, is merged using the pd.merge function. This creates a new data frame, merged data, combining information from both original datasets. For instance, imagine you have one dataset containing employee information, such as names and department IDs, and another dataset with employee names and salaries. By merging these datasets on the name column, you can create a consolidated dataset that includes both department IDs and salaries for each employee. This merged data can provide a comprehensive overview that would be useful for various analytical purposes. Aggregating data entails condensing information by computing statistics such as mean, sum, or count. In Python, this can be achieved by using functions like mean, sum, or count in conjunction with the group by method. For instance, in the provided Python example, the groupByAge.mean statement aggregates data from a data frame, df, by grouping it based on the age column and calculating the mean value for each group. This aggregated data is then stored in the aggregated data variable and displayed using the print function. Such aggregation operations are essential for deriving insights from large datasets and are commonly utilized in data analysis and reporting tasks. Basic data manipulation is like cooking in a kitchen where you have all the ingredients and utensils to create a recipe. Just like following a recipe step by step, in data manipulation, you follow specific instructions to gather, clean, and organize data. Each step in data manipulation is like adding a specific ingredient or mixing in a particular way to achieve the desired result. Once all the data is manipulated correctly, it is like presenting a perfectly cooked dish that is ready to be served. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code snippet demonstrates the manipulation of a sales dataset in R. Firstly, we define a dataset sales data containing transaction details such as transaction ID, product name, quantity, and price. Next, we compute the total sales for each transaction by multiplying the quantity with the price and storing it in a new column, total sales. This step is crucial for analyzing the revenue generated from each transaction. Subsequently, we filter the dataset to include only transactions with quantities greater than 2. This filtering operation helps in focusing on high-quantity sales for further analysis. Furthermore, we aggregate the data to calculate the total sales for each product. This aggregation step groups the data based on the product name and sums up the total sales, giving insights into the revenue contribution of each product. Finally, the results of each manipulation step are printed to facilitate a clear understanding of the changes made to the dataset. This sequential process of data manipulation is essential for transforming raw data into meaningful insights, enabling better decision making in areas such as sales forecasting, inventory management, and marketing strategies. In the real world, basic data manipulation is applied across various industries for diverse purposes. One common example can be seen in the retail sector, where companies analyze sales data to understand customer preferences, optimize inventory management, and maximize profitability. By manipulating data, like in the provided example, calculating total sales, filtering transactions, and aggregating sales by product, retailers can gain valuable insights to make informed decisions on pricing strategies, product placement, and marketing campaigns. Another example is in the healthcare industry, where data manipulation is crucial for streamlining patient records, conducting medical research, and improving healthcare delivery. Healthcare providers often use data manipulation techniques to organize patient information, identify trends in medical conditions, and streamline billing processes, ultimately enhancing patient care and optimizing operational efficiency. In conclusion, basic data manipulation plays a vital role in extracting meaningful insights and driving informed decision making across industries worldwide. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.